Cultivating connection and compassion, meditation, and exercise. The following exercise and meditation is for developing self-compassion, compassion for others, and inner and outer connection that is healing for ourselves and everyone. As we develop compassion and connection, we are able to hold compassion and connection for others. Others includes people, no matter how different, all creatures, the environment, and the earth and beyond. We need to develop individual and collective connection and compassion. This exercise and meditation is suitable for adults, children, and teens, and is beneficial for healing isolation and divisiveness, as well as healing difficulties and trauma, and overcoming challenges of the quarantine, and cultivating ourselves holistically as physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual beings. This seemingly simple exercise and meditation helps us feel less separated and separate from all other life forms. Please share. Connection and compassion. In this significant short method, we are rewiring our responses and cultivating compassion and kindness. This simple and easy method is symbolic to our unconscious and conscious being, and it's also tactile, and it connects us around the world and within ourselves. So begin by standing up straight, and often the best way to do that is to take a deep breath in and take a moment to straighten your shoulders and connect to your sense of presence on the earth, noticing your feet on the ground and the soles of your feet, and straightening your spine. Now, slowly place your hand over your heart and take a deep breath in, inhaling and exhaling and connecting to our whole body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest as you're breathing from your belly. And now take your other hand and slowly place it over your heart. So there are two hands over your heart. And notice the temperature of your hands over each other and the feeling of the temperature and your skin over your heart. And take another deep breath in, inhaling and exhaling, allowing yourself to consider self-compassion and kindness for your journey. For your journey is your life path from what you have encountered along your journey all the way to now, and your journey from now forward. Inhale and exhale, and noticing your fingers and your hands over your heart. And as you continue to do this deep breathing from your belly, notice your body in the space you are in the room, and where you are with your feet on the ground in this room. And notice the walls and the doors and the windows and your body and your feet on the ground. Inhaling and exhaling, and expand your awareness to the entire structure you're in, from the room to the entire structure, considering the perimeter of this structure and how that perimeter contains the room that you're in. Breathing in, inhaling, and exhaling, and expand your awareness again to the entire block or street you are on, and bringing your awareness or street, and your awareness of yourself on this block or street, in this structure, in this room, with your feet on the ground. And now consider even a larger area of land, inhaling and exhaling, bringing your awareness to the region that you live. The region may be boundaries of a state, or even the boundaries of a forest or beach or desert or mountains or valleys. So holding the awareness as you continue to inhale and exhale of this larger region, as you continue to inhale and exhale, holding that sense of compassion and kindness. And now we're expanding again to the continent that you are on, the entire continent that you're on. So beyond the boundaries of the country, but the continent. Now expand your awareness even further to the whole planet, so beyond the continent, to all the continents and all the oceans, all around the world, from the South Pole to the North Pole, all the continents on the entire Earth, expanding and inhaling and exhaling and holding your awareness of the sense of kindness and compassion. And knowing there are hundreds and thousands and even millions of people on the planet who are connecting to their inner selves and holding compassion and kindness in different ways for themselves and all beings, and that you are part of this group of people. There are other people who are holding the space for themselves as you are, and holding the energy to ripple outward from your being, knowing we are never alone. We are never alone. We are holding the space for each other to support ourselves on the journey, inhaling and exhaling, and consider you are one of many people all over the earth who are connecting to compassion. And when we hold compassion for ourselves and all beings, this ripples outward to all creatures, all life, and we change the paradigm, lifting ourselves and lifting others, inhaling and exhaling. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the continent that you're on, aware of the continent, and then of the region, the geographic region, and back to your block and your property, the boundaries, and your structure, your dwelling, and the room you're in with your feet on the ground. Bring your awareness back to yourself in your room, taking a deep inhale and exhale, feeling your feet on the ground, continuing to hold that compassion and kindness. Please subscribe and click the bell and like this video. Thanks for listening from Transformational Wisdom and Dr. Susan Sophia James.